Alright guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make cookies, and it's basically getting into particle systems. So if you're looking for how to do particle systems like simply, then you're in the right place. So let's begin. Alright, let's begin. So first, just delete the default cube, Shift A, add a UV sphere, scale it down, look from the front, move it up a little bit, and make sure you scale it properly. If it's too fat, then you can always come out of edit mode and then just scale it on the Z. Now select the top vertices and the bottom vertices, turn on proportional edit, look from the side, it can be the front as well, move it up, and as you can see it's too fat right here, so you can scale it up or down if as much as you want, as long as it looks good for you. Now you can shade smooth, add a subdivision surface modifier, and now just add a cylinder, move it up, and loop cut right here, select top face, merge at center, go into vertex select and move it on the Y like this, turn off proportional edit, select this in a loop, GG, about this much. Make sure you added a cylinder and not a cone, because cones can't loop cut. So just about this much, and then the bottom is always too fat, so we're gonna move it up, scale it, move it on the Y like this, depending on your rotation. And then now you can just bevel the thing, and then give it some segments. 3 or 2 is enough. And then now just shade smooth and then scale it down. So now go to particle systems and make sure the sphere is selected, and then press on the plus sign, and then change from type from emitter to hair, and then scroll down to render, open it, change the type from path to object, and just take this suction thing and select your cylinder. So now it will have this up here added. So now it's kind of uniform and we want the rotation to be random. So you can go to right up here and click on advance, which will give you an option of rotation. So you can click that, make sure the advance is turned on. If it's turned off, then this will not appear. So now just turn on the rotation like this, make sure it's ticked, and then change the type from velocity / hair to normal. Now for me this works best, but there is also others which you can try. So now you can just increase the phase, and now the important part is to increase the random phases. The phase is just like a seed, so yeah. So now after you're done, you can do some adjustments like lower the amount of the chips, the chocolate chips on your cookie. You can also increase the size by going to the render right here, scale randomness. You can also adjust the randomness right here, and there we go. So now let's add some materials. So just go to material preview, select it, and then for the dough just select the cookie and then just like change it like this. The particle will not change. The only way to do it is to change the particle right here to brown, lower the darkness, make the darkness lower, and then add a plane, then add a plane for the last touch, go to render preview like this, and there we go, you got your own cookie made in Blender. So that should be it for this video. If you want to see more of particle system, make sure to leave a comment, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.